I just wanted to share a little bit of goodies that arrived yesterday. In the last couple of days, I just didn't open them till just recently, till today. The high torque mini starter and the hugger headers, if that's what they're called. They're either huggers or shorty headers. I guess either or both, depending on your preference. But the starter, good thing about it, two good things about it, why I wanted to get it. It's a fraction of the size of the stock one, and a fraction of the weight. It's far lighter, which would make it that much easier to handle and get it to whatever angle I need to slap her onto the engine. Plus, it'll help with the alignment, so I get the teeth, where they need to be. Uh, and the headers, I just slapped these on. They're not bolted on, but if you look, the name really does fit the description. Huggers, shorties. Uh, they really do take up very little space, which again it's a good thing, because we want to have as much space to work with when we put her in the D21. And at first I thought there was going to be a little bit of a clearing issue right here of this portion slapping against this, I guess this bracket that holds the motor mount, unless you consider this part of the motor mount. Either way, I was first a little concerned about that, but it's actually not in the way. It just seems like it would be, but it's not. But I'm also going to go at some point go get an engine hoist so I can set this engine upright, and then I'll be able to slap the starter on there and get the headers on there officially. And then I'll also be able to start fabricating using that foam that I got, and start shaping that portion of the bell housing that would slap onto the engine, and get that over and done with. But yeah, I just want to share that little bit of goodness. It's nothing major, nothing big, but it's two more things that are out of the way and I don't have to wait on anymore or deal with. I just wanted to share that, and yeah, I'm really digging the way these suckers look. I mean, I would have to do follow the same process that I did with the pace setter headers that I have on the Z24 engine. Get rid of this paint and use some high temperature paint. Wrap them. I would definitely have to wrap them, and get a hold of some type of protective sheathing for the spark plug wires, because they're very close to the headers, obviously, and I don't want them to get fried or burned or melted. So yeah, I'm sure there's sleeves you can buy that will help, or heat shield type deal, but the high temperature paint and that wrap, that temperature wrap, I forget what it's called. I mean, I have some on the headers, on the pace setter headers, and that helped a great deal once it all settled in and it's working. Because at first, when I first did that with the pace setter headers, man, there's just enormous amount of heat that was just pouring out of the headers um, for about a month or so. Now it's kind of settled in and all that, and it's not nearly as bad as it was. So I'll have to do the same thing. I'll have to wrap these as well, just to protect the spark plug wires a little bit further. But yeah, other than that, just wanted to share that little bit of a update, and I will see you.